From looking at already existing thriller posters, my poster follows many conventions that appear in these posters. Firstly, I decided to place the main characters as the centre of the poster because this is what I thought will catch the audience attentions. This is what I found from the audience feedback, is that the features that stands out the most is the main image. Also, asking the audience if they were going to watch a film, what would make them want to watch it, and they said mostly the image on the poster. Also, by having the main image as the point of interest of the poster, I decided to use direct address, and again asking the audience if it helped them decide to watch the film, and they said yes, because it makes it look like they are looking at the people, and this draws the audience into wanting to watch the film. Secondly, I decided to use the colour scheme of red and white. These are just some of the typical colour conventions of thriller posters. Others include blue, black and green. These colours worked well in my poster, as from looking at it you can see it is for a thriller film and a mystery type based film. Because of the conventions of the colours, red connotes danger and anger and power, whereas white connotes the opposite. White can mean goodness, purity and calmness, so the audience can see that there is also a light side to the film. So by having these two colours, it makes my poster successful because it captures the audience attention, because they know what type of film it's going to be, because they know it's associated with what these colours represent. The next feature that I added in my poster that follows the typical conventions of a thriller poster, and that is the big bold titles. By having the title in white, that is very bold and stands out so the audience can see what the film is called. This is successful as they know the name as well as the main image, and these are features that should stand out the most. In my poster, this is what stands out, and this is what makes the audience intrigued in what the film may be about. Other titles that I have included in my poster is the name of the actors that feature in my film. The two names are at the top, one to the left and one to the right. Just like most posters, the names of the main characters are always on the poster. This way the audience know who exactly is in the film, and this will attract the audience into watching the film, as they may like the actors who worked on the film, and this will make them want to watch their latest film. So altogether my poster is successful as it follows many conventions of features of posters. This includes the colour scheme, the titles and the use of the main characters as the main image. However, what I could improve on my poster is maybe use more colours in my poster to make it follow more colours of conventions and make it more relevant to what the film is about. But asking the audience what they think of my poster and what out of it would make them want to watch the film, they said the main image is one of the main features that would make them want to watch the film. The other thing that is the titles, and if they stand out, and mine do, so in that sense my poster is successful in selling the film.